What is a unit in sports betting, meaning and why it matters? A unit gives bettors a cleaner way to talk about stake size without naming the exact amount of money. The unit system is explained through stake sizing, bankroll control, and why it helps compare sports betting results without revealing exact money amount. A unit is a personal measuring system. A unit is a standard amount chosen by the bettor to measure bet size. When someone says they placed a 2-unit bet, that does not automatically tell you how much money they risk. Why people talk in units? People often use units because exact money amounts can be hard to compare, but that language can also hide the emotional and financial reality. Unit, stake, and bankroll are connected. To understand units, it helps to separate 3 words. But this point is essential. A bankroll should never be money needed for rent, food, bills, debt, savings, family responsibilities, or basic financial stability. Why unit size matters? The size of one unit matters because it decides how much risk is attached to each bet. It should never be increased just because someone feels confident. How units can help with tracking. The useful side of units is organization. If wins are tracked but losses are ignored, the record is misleading. The danger of making money sound smaller. Units can make betting sound cleaner than it feels. A person may take risks with units that they would not take if the exact cash amount were shown in front of them. What half-unit and multi-unit bets mean? A 1-unit bet is usually the bettor's standard bet size. People may use larger unit sizes when they feel more confident. Units in parlays, props, and live betting. A 1-unit bet does not always carry the same level of complexity, so unit size is only one part of risk. Units do not prove someone is skilled. Using units can make betting sound more professional, but structure is not the same as safety. When unit tracking becomes a warning sign, unit tracking can become a warning sign when it is used to justify more betting. Other warning signs include hiding betting activity, borrowing money to gamble, betting more than planned, feeling anxious when not betting, or no longer enjoying sports unless money is involved. Legality and age rules still apply. A unit is only a measurement concept. It does not change the legal side of betting. Responsible gambling comes before unit size. A unit system is not a substitute for responsible gambling. The safest unit is not the one that sounds smart. The simplest way to understand a unit. A unit in sports betting is a standard measurement for bet size. It does not make betting safe.